Right, welcome to Hardy Classics again. Another miserable day. It's got to be expected, I suppose. Right, what have we got here? We've got here a 1935 singular man's special. And it's special in a couple of ways. Right off, this car does not belong to me. It's a good friend of mine. He's asked us to bring it down here, photograph it and sell it. So you will be dealing with me, but obviously the car belongs to a second party. I don't know a lot about the car. If you've got any questions, if you email us or message us or ring us, I'll pass the information on and I will get an answer for you. Basically, what I do know about the car, it's a 1935 singular man's, like I say, special, and it's special in a couple of ways. And the first way is what he's done to the engine. Right, we'll lift the bonnet. So, what he's actually done is he's fitted a Triumph Herald engine in there. Looks like he's got twin SUs on. Mated to the Triumph Herald 4-speed gearbox. And what he's done that for is because the car does have an original singular man's engine and box, but they're available by separate negotiation. So if you buy the car or we agree a price on the car, we'll get in touch with the vendor and he'll come along and say, you know, if you want the engine and gearbox to turn it back to an original car, you can do that at a cost. But I've no idea what the cost will be. I can't think it'll be a lot of money knowing the guy, but there you go. So there we have it, the little singular man's. It is what it is. You can see what it is. You can see the paintwork. It's people call it patina. Whatever you want to do. It's an oily rag. You know, you can drive it like this, or you could just strip it down, turn it back into, in my opinion, I would strip it down and turn it back into a beautiful 1935 singular man's, but that's just me. People like the ratty look, and to be fair, you know, on a day like today, does it really matter if it gets wet? No. You know, take it to the pub, leave it outside, pick it up the next day. You know, it's that sort of car. But a lovely little thing, nice and original. Apart from the engine, the dashboard, we've got the original dash. Comes with that. It's got some wet weather gear here. Whether it's any good, I don't know. It's side screens, wet gear. Probably just use them as patterns to get some new made. But again, that's up to you and the next guy to decide. There's a few spares in here as well. I think it's the hood hoops that fit on here, bits and pieces. But there you have it, singular man's. If you need any more information, give us a shout. It's not my car, but I'll get to know everything. The guy who has it is really, really knowledgeable. He'll be able to tell you everything about the car. So we'll probably just pass the phone number over to him, and we can take it from there. So there you have it, the singular man's. Bye bye now.